The big question, how many templates you need to create to start earning? Short answer, the more you make, the more you earn. But how much effort it really takes to create a template? Let's take a look at my profile. All the first templates have over 1000 downloads. Let's check the first one and try to create something similar. In this case, we have a MOGRT file. That means it is an After Effects project converted for Premiere Pro. I'm gonna create a new comp, fix the resolution for HD, always add a name. Perfect. Also, I will adjust the duration of this one. I'm gonna create a new solid, name it background, go for black. Then I'm gonna create a text, type something like motion, adjust a little bit the fonts, the size and the position of this one, drag it right there. Perfect. I'm going to fix the caps. Okay. I just try things to find something that I like. Cool, and now I'm gonna create another one. Title, I'm gonna change the font a little bit. Perfect. Adjust again the position. Now I will add fill to every single layer to be prepared for the MOGRT. I'm gonna go with a white for this one, copy the fill, paste it into the next, and also add the fill for the background. By default red, I'm gonna change it to black. Now, to animate things, it's better to go with a text flow, the free text animator tool from Candy Masters. Just visit candymaster.com and download it for free. Now, I'm gonna type text flow and drag and drop it inside the text layer. We can adjust everything. I'll go with a position right now, just a little bit there, more, and I'll do the same for the other text. Drag and drop, adjust the position into another direction. To adjust the in and the out points of the animation, you have just to adjust in and the out points of the text layer, like this. They're not keyframes. Also, I need the animation of the second one to affect the characters. I'll press U twice and change this into character. I think we're good enough. Now here's the easy part. To create the MOGRT, I will go Window and Social Graphics, and the way you create the MOGRTs is by drag and dropping things inside the Social Graphics file. So I'm gonna create a null object and parent everything into this null. That will be the global thing that it will affect everything. Great. I'm gonna create a new group, name it global, and I'll drag inside that group the position, the scale and the rotation of the entire scene. PSRT, drag and drop there. That's all. Now I'm gonna create a new one for the colors, and I will go to the fill effects, fill, and drag them inside. Also, I have to rename that. I will go better with another title, like title 01, let's say. I'll do the same for the second one. Fill again, drag and drop, super easy, inside the group. Title 02. That's cool. And also for the background. Perfect. Now I'm gonna create a new group for the text. I'm gonna go with text 01, and I'll drag and drop the source text from the text. We'll enable all the features. You can also drag position, scale, and rotation and opacity, but I'll speed up things here. I'll go for the second one, do the same exact thing. You don't have to recheck the features, and just click export. That was easy. With that MOGRT, I earned around $2,000 from just one platform. Fair enough for 4 minutes of work. So you can find the entire strategy I use inside my course.